If you're trying to figure out how to build a proposal library for your business quickly and efficiently, this short tutorial is going to save you hours of frustration. Stick with me, because I've tested all the most popular tools out there, and by the end, I'll show you exactly how to set up a streamlined, reusable system, and even give you access to a free trial of the software I recommend exclusively for viewers of my channel. First things first, why even build a proposal library? If you're constantly rewriting proposals from scratch, you're wasting time and increasing the chance of errors. A solid proposal library gives you ready-to-go content you can customize fast, send out quickly, and keep consistent across your team. To build your library, you want to start by identifying the core components every proposal typically includes. That usually means an intro or executive summary, a scope of work, pricing or packages, timeline, terms and conditions, and an optional case study or testimonial section. Next, gather your best proposals from the past. Pick the ones that closed deals or got great feedback. Pull out the sections that worked well and break them into reusable blocks. Don't copy entire proposals. Think modular. You want flexible pieces that can be mixed, matched, and updated depending on the client. Now, organize those blocks into categories inside a central location. This is where the software we'll be using comes in. It's designed to help you tag, store, and search through these blocks easily. Instead of scrolling through old Word docs or email threads, you'll have a clean library with searchable, categorized content. You can even create templates that auto-populate based on project type or client industry. For naming, keep your block specific and action-oriented. For example, instead of Intro 1, name it Intro Marketing Proposal ROI Focus. This makes it easier to grab the right block fast. You'll also want to create a few proposal templates for your most common scenarios. Think new client, project extension, or retainer agreement. These templates will pull from your block library and serve as a starting point so you're never starting from zero again. Update your proposal library regularly. Every time you send a proposal that performs well, save any improved sections back into the library. Over time, you'll build a bank of high-converting content you can rely on. And here's the bonus. If you want to follow along and build your proposal library while watching, there's an exclusive free trial of the software I personally use, linked in the description below. It's only available for viewers of my channel, and it'll make this entire process way faster and smoother. The key takeaway: building a proposal library for your business isn't just about saving time, it's about increasing your win rate by using proven, customizable content that's always ready when you need it. Quick recap: identify your key proposal components, extract the best blocks from previous proposals, organize them with clear labels, build templates for common scenarios, and keep everything updated inside your proposal library using software that's actually built for this. If you found this helpful, make sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial link below and start building your own library today. You'll never have to write another proposal from scratch again.